Contact at the bar. Out of the way, please.
Look where you're going.
The epiphylium oxypetalum only blossoms at night.
That's an interesting pickup line.
Sorry. Thought you were someone else.
Hey, how can you be so sure I'm not the one you want, yeah? We only just met.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
Leaving. Excuse me.
Oi! I'm not finished with you!
Leave it, Gav! Leave it! Come on, let's buy me a drink.
Charming.
Gavin, don't.
The epiphyllum oxypetalum only blossoms at night.
And only for a single night.
What have you got for me?
There's a package for you in the gents. Watch it in private. X marks the spot.
Right.
Pour me a pint of lager, will you? And get this girl whatever she likes.
Gentlemen. Hey, how quiet. Watch where you're going.
What's your poison?
Watch yourself. Just passing through.
Good night.
Not bad.
You alright?
Pretty good.
You pulled?
Not yet. You?
Yeah. Blonde salt in the upstairs bar.
She got me.
Dunno. Could ask. She's in the downstairs.
Found you.
MI6 has identified a leak from the Trade Ministry. We've narrowed our suspects to 3 secretaries, Rick Bolthorpe, Alice Weatherall, and Joshua Pike, all at the club this very evening. Your job is to identify the culprit. Bond, you'll be teaming up with Nash and Singh to focus on Pike. Keep this device on you and get up close. It will enable Singh to access Pike's phone. Best of luck, Bond.
Singh, Nash, we're on Pike.
Already looking for him.
Let's do this.
Told ya, I wasn't finished with ya. Everyone else, out.
Really?
Hey!
Sure you wouldn't rather go hang in the bar? Have to warn you, I'm pretty good.
No one chats up my girlfriend.
A man of principles.
What the hell, Bond? You fighting?
Sorry. I'll be quick. Don't forget to flush. Nash.
Oh, you're all done.
Yeah. Thanks anyway.
What? No, I just came to watch.
Listen, guys. Pike's upstairs, but it's guest list only. But I got the club blueprints, and there are some backstairs behind the bar.
How about the dance floor balcony? That's an access point.
Singh? Backstairs are staff only, I presume?
Right. They're in a storage area, so don't get in trouble.
Balconies, Nash?
Aye, overlooking the dance floor.
And how do you suggest I get up there?
I don't know. Just telling you, it's an access point.
Get upstairs, Bond. And Nash, you find a good vantage point for observations.
After you, Bond.
Really? Are you sure?
I am. Your hair was different. Or, I don't know.
Sure. Oh my God. Come on, everyone's here. The music's great.
your ass in gear and get down here. You've got to come. I even got you on the VIP list. Free drinks in the upstairs lounge. Of course I didn't. Jones? Jones! Just say Jones and you'll get the stamp. We'll sort all that tomorrow. One night off, it'll be fine.
Sorry, passing through.
See that bartender? What do you think?
What do I think about what?
Do you think she's single?
Only one way to find out. Ask her.
You get out of here.
I want to know if she's single. All you've got to do is ask.
What if she thinks I'm an arsehole for
Yes.
asking?
You want me to ask her?
God, that would make me look such a twat.
Thanks for the drink. That bartender just ignoring me. I got my knight in shining armor.
Do you mind? Why?
Babes, we're having shots.
I do work for the government, so maybe a little bit of a night.
You again. Get out.
That's amazing. What do you do
I'm with
there?
trading
I bet it's
standards.
something important.
We have reason to believe that you water down your beverages.
Yeah.
You aware of this
Suppose it
practice?
is. I work for the trade ministry.
Never seen anything like
A
that.
ministry official.
I need to check the back.
I'm impressed. Why don't we find a seat somewhere you can tell me all about it?
Okay. Hey, you don't belong here.
I'll be on my way then.
Thanks for cooperating.
You've got eyes. Use them.
It's the third time that night.
Bounces on his first try.
Did you hear about the guy last week? Climbed the light rig backstage to get to the free bar in the upstairs lounge.
No shit.
I
Now
did,
there's an idea.
but he just slinked into the crowd and disappeared. You know the type. Slippery with sixth sense.
Oh, I do. Empty eyes, but busy hands.
Don't mind me.
You're a really good dancer.
What did you say?
Mind yourself.
Naughty. Let's have one.
Charlie, we're keeping an eye out for staff for you.
Nash, on the light rig. Balcony coming up.
Good. A little skip, and you're golden.
Skip. Right.
What the?
Ladies. In the lounge now, looking for Pike.
Find him and get up close.
Here. Let's do one for the socials.
Christ, Lucy, don't you ever take a day off?
Got to grow the poor company.
VIP. Oh, all right. I didn't think the big fella was going to let us in.
Bond, use your Q lens to locate Pike's phone.
Not always supposed to happen. Show she moves. They're rubbish.
Just as pride. And perhaps his anger
I see it.
a bit. Lucky for us, he'll think twice before jumping on stage another time.
Wouldn't be so sure about that. First time he does something like that. Far from it, I hears.
Really? Do tell.
Let's just say he's not one to turn down liquor, even though he can't hold it very well.
Later, ladies.
Now we're getting somewhere. Stay up close for data extraction.
Rose is asking for you, Josh. You going in?
Yeah. I've just fetched the
Data
others.
still coming in, but I believe we've identified our Trade Ministry leak. I'm getting photos of classified documents from Pike's phone. Bond, stay up close.
Let's finish this.
We're heading back to the booth. I'm getting drinks. You want anything?
We're good. Meet you there.
Don't mind me.
So, my boyfriend's not looking too hot. He won't say what's happened, but I have a feeling you happened.
Get rid of her, Bond.
I don't know if I should be angry or flattered.
Probably a bit of both.
Yeah. Also, a little impressed. What do you say? You want to get out of here?
Meet me outside in half an hour. Bad news. Pike just entered the exclusive booth.
Better find a way in there, then.
This'll work nicely.
Hiya.
That was easy. Dusty crowd.
Free drinks does that.
Great, our drinks. Hang on, is that a martini? I didn't order that. No one in their right mind would. And that one, pineapple? Only acceptable pineapple ever is on my pizza. Now, why don't you go back to your little bar and get us what we ordered?
Don't be an arse, Crispin. Besides, where's your sense of adventure?
Yes, why don't you live a little, Crispin? If you'd excuse me.
Yes, but I deserve that you put in a bit of an effort.
Ladies and gentlemen, data extraction complete.
Good job. Now let's celebrate. Where are you guys?
I'm up here on the balcony.
On my way.
No, don't push me. I take it back. There is one guy here.
What a night. I think we...
Listen, I just found something. Pike's meeting his contact tonight at the club.
And?
We need to act. We could unravel the whole network.
And how exactly would that play out?
Have they met before?
No, first time.
Perfect. Monroe, how about you intercept the meeting? Pretend to be Pike. Bond, you make sure Pike doesn't show.
Any ideas?
Our best bet would be to stow him away somewhere. Lock him in. That ought to be possible up here.
I'll figure something out.
I'll be by the stairs to make sure Pike doesn't slip down.
Sorry, sir.
Cars are expensive. The girlfriend doesn't agree with my priorities.
You could ask for a raise.
As if.
Hey, watch it.
How was the turnout yesterday?
Yeah, you weren't here. You were supposed to be, weren't you? Oh, well, I remember the storage room door is acting up again. Got stuck last night. Sam spent nearly 3 hours in there before we even noticed she was missing.
So there's a storage room.
I bet she wasn't happy about that.
Nah, she was good.
I was told the bathroom's second door on the left. Clearly, this is not second door on the left.
Right. You better get out of here.
Appreciate it. This'll do nicely.
Careful.
Joshua Pike. Change of plans. Come with me.
Who the hell are you?
Go
Your contact had to abort last second. I'm his replacement. If you want this deal to happen, then start walking.
Okay, I'll walk. I thought you wanted to talk in private.
Come on, this way. Just through here. In here. After you.
Hey! What the hell?
Bottle service.
What?
Don't mind me.
Right, guys, that's Pike taken care of. Locked him in.
Tell me you got his phone first.
Shit.
I've got you covered. Fried his SIM.
Time for phase 2. Bond, meet me by the stairs. Let's regroup.
Oh, don't mind me.
Well done, Bond. Now we just need Monroe to scare the socks off her so she calls her boss.
Change of plans? I just found a message. She's expecting someone tall, dark, and handsome.
And 2 out of 3 won't do.
It'll have to be Bond then. Where is she?
I've got eyes on our girl. Pretty black dress. She's behind the cloakroom.
No rest for the wicked.
Excuse me? All up to you now, Bond. No pressure.
I found her. Oh, good. You showed.
And I was just about to leave. You're late.
Give her hell, okay? We need her to call her handler.
Oh, trust me, you don't want to leave. I've got something extra for you.
Not interested.
Well, you should be. Your boss will throw diamonds at you if you bring him this.
I don't do negotiations. Not my job.
But if you want this, you need to call someone who does.
Who's this?
Don't mind her. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this.
What the? You're sweet-talking that cow right in front of me.
Please. I'm leaving.
No, stay.
What the? And who the hell are you? Acting all superior? I don't have to take this.
How about you put a leash on your girlfriend?
Listen, you and me? Not a good idea.
Damn right it's not. Don't believe a word he says. All smooth, but such a liar. Asshole.
I'm done. Deal's off.
If you go, the offer is up. It's now or never. Your call.
Give me a few minutes. I need to make a phone call. It's me. He claims to have some extra information
Done.
for sale.
She's
Something
making the
worth
call.
your while.
What took you so long?
Things got complicated.
Well done, recruits. Extraction in 2 minutes. I've marked
Yes,
the location in
I
your
believe
lenses. First to arrive gets extra credit.
It sure did take a while.
I'll leave
But I've always known those looks of yours would get us in trouble someday.
I think he just sucks at turning down the keen ones.
You wouldn't know, Sting, but it actually takes a lot of practice. I'll give you some pointers one of these days, Bond.
Thanks, Kingsley.
Extraction, guys. Tick-tock.
Hey, mind where you're going.
You're dead, mate.
Mind if I cut him?
These guys really want to dance. It's my job. What can I do? That's good for you. Called four regular Londoners. You had to charm the army boys. Not bad. yourself a favor. Give it up.
I can taste your fear.
No more.
You're late.
I'd say there's still time for a pint. Back in. First round on me. Cheeky half?
I'm suspending training, effective immediately. A situation's arisen, a matter of considerable delicacy. The former 009, real name Reese Beckett. A rogue operative guilty of high treason, he has somehow managed to stay hidden for over a decade. And now he's coming in from the cold. 009 claims to hold evidence of a conspiracy against the state, and he intends to hand it in return for a full pardon on one condition. He will only talk to John Greenway.
I guess there really is someone for everyone.
And where do we come in, Mum? Last time I checked, cutting deals with traitors was not in our playbook. 009 is a master infiltrator. As resourceful as he is paranoid, thinking 2 steps ahead is this man's idea of lazy. To catch him, we're gonna need eyes everywhere. Consider this a field exam. Get your equipment and cover stories from Q. Moneypenny will fill you in on the rest. Dismissed. Bond. A word. Greenway wasn't happy with your performance last night, and he's reluctant to bring you along, just a heads up.
Right. Any advice?
Doing what you're told might be a good start.
Ponsonby?
Bond.
What did she say?
Greenway doesn't want me to come after last night.
Really? I missed the extraction deadline too.
Well, I am going. That's what counts.
Come on. Let's go see Q. A rogue 00 coming in from the cold. Not bad for a first mission.
She said he's been in hiding for more than a decade. That roughly matches when the program was shut down, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. You think he caused that?
It could be. Or it could just be timing deciding things. I mean, Thea was just integrated. Perhaps the 00s didn't feel needed to the same extent after that.
Heading down to Q-Lab.
In a moment.
Q-Lab. Cover stories and field equipment. This sure beats exams. Wonder what he's got lined up for us.
I wouldn't mind that bike coming along.
Oh? I heard you were more into explosives. The bigger the better, according to Basil from accounting.
Basil? Who's that?
Vice chairman of your fan club.
Oh, and the chairman? I guess that'll be Greenway, right?
They did both run for the post, but Greenway won by a whisker.
I was looking for you two. Monroe, I have your cover story from...
Can't wait. Later, mate.
Any idea what's in store for me?
No clue. Something dashing, no doubt.
98.2% in fashion photographer.
Fearless war correspondent.
Adventurer.
We need to adjust the trigger sensors before we present to Q.
Good call.
Have you seen Q around?
I think he's in wearables.
That sounds about right.
We need increased stability. Fine for interiors.
What are we looking at? Portable airbag?
Shelter sphere. If you're ever caught...
He was down here not too long ago.
Oh, Nicholas Webb.
Sir Nicholas.
Oh, move over Savile Row.
In the ground tour.
That's nice.
Yes. Note the exquisite stitching and attention to detail. Cut proportion and style in perfect harmony.
Looks a bit big.
Oh no, this is for Monroe. You'll be wearing that one.
I'm the chauffeur.
Well, don't look at me, I just work here.
Greenway.
I'm heading over to gadget testing. Join me when you're ready. There's some new field gear that I'd like you to try out.
Right. Probably a new line of air fresheners.
Perhaps a nice matte black suit.
You're not playing an Undertaker.
What's your take on the new
Go with that bottle green corduroy blazer.
I'm a financier.
Shelter Sphere. If you're ever caught in an avalanche, you'll be glad to be packing one of these.
Why would I be caught in an avalanche carrying a gentleman's briefcase?
We... Oh, mind your own business.
For the task,
Moving on.
Yeah,
Hello, birds all over the
yeah,
area.
of course. I'll pull myself together.
Please make room. Thank
There.
you.
Sorry. Steady as a...
Didn't mean to.
Well, not this drone.
Okay, let's see what's in store.
Splendid work, Bridget. I'd say one more round of iteration and we're ready for field testing.
That is my assessment as well.
Q? You mentioned some field gear that needs testing?
Quite right, yes. Over here, please. This here is a shockwave device. It triggers a small, directed propagating disturbance that staggers opponents on impact and causes medium damage to body armor. Try it out, why don't you?
All right.
Now, aim the device at Arthur here. And before you ask, yes, he's good with it.
I'm good with it.
If you say so.
Excellent stuff. Great work, Bond. Okay, next item. A sleek upgrade to a timeless classic, the smoke grenade. This small-scale, lightweight projectile blocks visibility, leaving an opponent open to attack. Go on, have a go.
Don't mind if I do.
Right. Throw it at Arthur. You ready, Arthur?
Ready.
Now, as you can see, the smoke obscures Arthur's vision, causing an acute sense of disorientation. While the effect lasts, he is quite defenseless. And that's the whole shooting match. You may choose your equipment from the gadget cart. Bridget here will sort you out if you have questions.
Thanks.
Good luck out there, Bond.
You were authorized to bring 2 items into the field. Not that you're likely to need them in the car park.
Uh-huh.
Was that insensitive? My people skills range in the bottom third.
Surely not. Kind of choosing blindly here. Any pointers?
I cannot disclose any specific details about the assignment, only that you will be attending an exclusive social event. High security, low hostility. In these types of situations, discretion, not force, is advised.
Duly noted. All done.
Huh. Interesting.
What?
Nothing. Good luck out there.
Bond, congrats on completing training.
Hi. Which floor?
Operations, please.
No problem.
Hello. Can I help you?
Perhaps you can. I'm looking for Moneypenny.
I think she's in her pod. Just through that door down there, and you can't miss her.
All right there.
Hello again. This is one of the new recruits, I believe.
M underestimates 009. You all do.
Thayer's report was inconclusive, John. 009's been gone for too long to yield reliable data. There's a 50-50 chance that he's telling the truth. We need to know what he has.
We need nothing this man has to offer. Yes, this is just a boon that M's been looking for to get Foreign Secretary Bright and his lot off our backs, but 009 is a master manipulator. Whatever his endgame is, we won't see it coming.
I couldn't help but overhear you and Greenway.
Couldn't help yourself, is what you mean.
Sounds like there's some history between the two of them.
They served together as double O's, right up until Operation Nightfall.
Go on.
Would that I could.
Nice place. That screen big enough for you?
I know. It's cool, isn't it? Just got it up and running.
About 009. How did he manage to stay hidden for all those years? I thought Thayer could get a handle on just about anyone in the world.
Well, it's not a magic wand, James. Thayer consumes data on an unprecedented scale, but if you leave none, you're effectively invisible. Imagine the focus and dedication it takes to stay off-grid for so long.
Did 009 have help?
Almost certainly. Some even speculated he was with the cousins.
Why would the Americans hide a UK traitor?
You don't have siblings, do you?
Recruit ranking. You have a widget for that.
I like to stay informed.
Looks like I kept my place.
Well, Greenway hasn't handed in the performance review for last night.
You have a mission briefing for me.
I do. Let's get the other recruits in here and I'll show you. The Grand Carpathian Hotel in the high Tatra Mountains of Slovakia, host to the World Chess Championship. Safe to say 009 did not pick this location at random. The hotel is swarming with international VIPs, security is of the highest order, and due to the current diplomatic tension between the UK and Slovakia, the operation has not been cleared with local authorities. According to 009's instructions, the meeting will go down in full public view during the championship match. No comms, no tracking, no backup. And these are only the safeguards that we know about. 009 will employ every manner of subterfuge to avoid capture. And if he suspects a trap, we'll never get another shot. This is where you come in. You're all blank slates in the intelligence circuit, which makes you ideally suited for undercover work. Locate 009 and keep him under close watch, but do not engage the target. This is a black tag operation, so discretion, ladies and gentlemen, is critical.
Now, I could get used to this.
Don't act too impressed, dearest, or you'll blow our cover. And James, do quit your pouting.
I'm a glorified hood ornament. What could I possibly have to pout about?
Sorry if the assignment doesn't live up to your grand expectations. Someone must watch the perimeter. If 009 slips through our fingers, you're the last line of defense.
Exhilarating.
Greenway's testing you, mate. That's all. Don't give him an excuse.
The cap looks good on you, though. Really brings out your cheekbones. Take a left up ahead, James.
Backseat driver.
Was that done?
Just a frog in my throat.
Halt!
Is everything in order?
Routine inspection, ma'am. Won't be a moment. All clear. Please proceed.
if I sold a kidney, I could afford to stay for a night.
I think I have. Stayed here, I mean. A wedding back in 22.
Doesn't sound like something you'd forget.
Well, the hen was in Cannes, so we flew in by private jet. It was dark and we'd been drinking, so...
Can? Private jet?
What?
Nothing. Darling, nothing at all.
What do you make of 009?
He was the best in his day. That was a long time ago. My guess is he's tired of running.
Greenway thinks we're being played.
And since when do you trust Greenway?
I never said I did.
They knew each other, though. That much is clear. Something to do with an operation called Nightfall.
It begs the question, did 009 pick Greenway out of good faith? Or bad blood?
Well, we're about to find out. Pull up. This is our stop. We're live, gentlemen. Switch to comms. Monroe, with me. James, stay.
Save the world some other time, yeah?
Afternoon. Invitation, please.
Blake and Loretta York. Plus the help.
Welcome to the Grand Carpathian. Parking is right up ahead. Mr. and Mrs. York, enjoy your stay.
Much obliged.
Oh, they will.
Bright. We're entering the premises. Team status?
Nash, delivery area. In position. Singh, staff quarters.
Ronson, conference wing. Kingsley, first floor suites.
Bond. Bond.
Car park. In position.
Greenway, Grand Hall. Switching off comms as instructed. Keep a low profile and don't let your guards down. 009 most certainly won't. Out.
Not exactly the 5-star treatment. No harm in stretching my legs. Bond, reporting suspicious behavior.
009?
No, one of the hotel staff. Strangest looking bellhop I ever saw. He was mishandling luggage.
Are you joking? What are we, the local tourist board?
I guess he had to be there. It was odd. I'm gonna check it out.
You will not. 009 is our only priority. Stay at your post, James. That's an order.
Yes, Mom.
It was all over social media last year. Where have you been?
Pardon me? Need to see a man about a bag. Missed him.
Afternoon, sir. Staff and press only.
Oh, damn. Forgot my press badge.
You're not the first.
I have to... You take over.
Gone. In transit. Just
Oh.
Jesus Christ. Got all 4 drugs. And what's worse, whoever they are hasn't taken credit.
Can I duck through? I need to catch up with that bellhop.
Show me your ID and all's good.
Wow. Quite the security setup you've got here.
Right? The latest millimeter wave scanners. Guaranteed radiation-free. Nothing gets past them.
I feel more secure already. There. Forget my own head next.
All right. Checks out. Step into the scanner, please.
He's clear.
You may enter, sir. Enjoy the tournament.
You're on a tight ship.
Member of the press.
That's what my badge says.
Continue up the stairs, please. The mezzanine is great for photos. Best view in all the house.
Good tip. But it's great for people watching.
The one in the dining hall?
I'm always nervous at these type of events. Nothing gets past the scanners. This place is like an airport. No, I'm just...
Don't mind me, ladies.
Good afternoon, sir. Which room is he in?
Dunno. But he's getting an extra mint on his pillow. That's for sure.
Yolanda.
Now, let's see what all the fuss is about. There's Greenway. Hopefully I'm the last thing on his mind. What are you here for?
Bond, status.
No, son. 009. Over.